Let everything you do be done in love. That's 1 Corinthians 16 to 14. And it's a beautiful reminder that even the little things like how our homes smell can be acts of care. And as Maya Angelou said, if you're going to live, leave a legacy. Make a mark on the world that can't be erased. So why not leave a legacy of freshness and kindness to yourself, your family, and the planet? Tired of harsh chemicals and artificial scents in your home? I get it. Fresh scents make our homes inviting, but most store-bought air fresheners are packed with unpronounceable chemicals that harm your health and the environment. So let's ditch the toxins and discover the refreshing power of nature. I'll walk you through simple seasonal DIY air freshener recipes using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen or garden. Let's kick off with spring. For a citrus lavender spray, mix lemon zest, a few lavender flowers, water, and a splash of vinegar in a spray bottle. Spritz it in your living room for an instantly uplifting vibe. Or try a citrus mint diffuser. Add orange peels and fresh mint leaves to a jar, top with a few drops of essential oil, and let the scent fill your space. When summer heats up, go for something cool and crisp. Combine watermelon rind, cucumber slices, water, and a little vinegar for a watermelon cucumber spray that's seriously refreshing. Or make a basil rosemary diffuser, basil leaves, rosemary sprigs, and essential oils in a jar. So simple, and it smells like a sunlit garden. For autumn, bring in those cozy, spicy notes. A cinnamon clove spray. Just cinnamon sticks, whole cloves, water, and vinegar will make your home feel warm and comforting. And a pine nutmeg diffuser with pine needles, nutmeg, and essential oils creates that earthy, woodsy aroma we all love when the leaves start to fall. Now winter, think cozy hat, festive and inviting. Mix orange peels, cinnamon sticks, water, and vinegar for an orange cinnamon spray that feels like the holidays in a bottle. Or try a pine vanilla diffuser. Pine needles, vanilla beans, and a hint of essential oil for a warm, welcoming scent. The best part? These recipes are totally customizable. Mix and match ingredients, try new combinations, and make your home truly your own. Check the description for more recipes and tips on where to find natural essential oils. So why settle for artificial when you can fill your home with the sense of nature? Give these DIY air fresheners a try and embrace a fresher, healthier, and more sustainable lifestyle, one beautiful breath at a time.